Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the creator of the Ultimate Weight Loss Program, and this is where I show you recipes from my book, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, that will help you achieve healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Today we're going to make a really easy and delicious recipe that you can have for second breakfast after your vegetables, or for dessert, or anytime really. And it's a fruit cobbler, but instead of having butter and flour and sugar and salt and oil like most fruit cobblers, it basically just has fruit notes. You know, I have nothing against fruit notes. That's what most people seem to have for breakfast. I don't like the texture of oatmeal or steel cut oats. It's just kind of, I don't know, I just never cared for it. I like oat groats, the whole oat groat though. But this is configured a little bit differently, so it doesn't have that mushy oat texture. And you can use any fruit you want, fresh, frozen, combination. I'm using mango because I had a bag of frozen mango and I love mango. My favorite is actually mango and cherry combined. So I've got my fruit in my pan and I'm just using a Pyrex dish, but what's even better is a silicone baking pan, round or square, because nothing sticks to it, and that's really important because, you know, we don't use oil. It's just that I'm in the process of moving and most of my stuff is packed. So that's the bottom layer, and the top layer is really just a few simple ingredients. We have our gluten-free rolled oats, got my banana puree, and I'm going to mix in there, and my seasonings and my spices, which include my vanilla powder. So I just take these ingredients and I mix them together. Oh, it smells delicious. So if you follow Forks Over Knives, I'm a recipe contributor to their website, and they actually just put out a recipe that I did a while back. It's an apple cranberry crisp, and it's delicious, and it's sort of the same principle, but I used apple juice to moisten the oats, but instead I'm using banana puree. And so we just mix that until it's fully incorporated. And you know, the main thing when you're using fruit is to make sure it's ripe. Since we're not using dates, which are always sweet, bananas vary in their degree of sweetness, but depending on how ripe they are. So make sure they're really ripe. And you can use frozen bananas that have been defrosted. This looks a little bit wet, so I'm going to add just a little bit more oats. You know, the recipe calls for, you know, a certain number of bananas, but some bananas are larger, some bananas are smaller. I just want that a little bit drier. Yeah, I like it a little more toothsome. So then I'm going to just put this over the top, and this is going to bake. And then when it's done, it's cobbler, and this can be enjoyed warm, cold, at room temperature. My favorite way to serve it to company is hot from the oven with cold banana ice cream, you know, just made out of bananas on top. So we just cover the fruit, and isn't that easy? No rolling out dough or anything like that. And then I'm just going to pop it in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, that was easy, right? You bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes, and then take it out of the oven. Oh, it looks beautiful. Here, this is so much more delicious than just plain oatmeal, but it really just is the same ingredients. And then scoop yourself a nice big piece. You could turn it upside down if you want, have the topping on the top. And it's just fruit, the whole fruit, and nothing but the fruit. And like I say, if you want extra decadence, all you have to do is make some banana and ice cream on top, and your guests will go nuts. Oh, cherry would be amazing on here. So you don't need sugar, you don't need flour to make an incredible dessert. You don't even need dates. So there you have it, the fruit cobbler from my book, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss. I know you can have the health and the body you deserve, and it starts with healthy, delicious recipes. I'm Chef AJ. Thanks for watching. I make healthy, taste delicious. That smells good.